Hi guys, I'm Rita and I am digital accountant. I have reviewed Rhino Apps, a UK government approved and making tax digital compliant accounting software. So, in today's episode, I will share with you my personal and honest opinion on the use of this accounting software. Registration process. So how easy or hard is to register on Rhino Apps, and what is the flexibility of this accounting software? Firstly, registration process is easy and straightforward. And a few things that you might need to get your personal secure documents like passport or driving license, or maybe even company's registration number from that certificate what you might have got when you incorporated your business. Store those safely away. You do not need those. All what you need is your personal or business email address, and that's it. It's straightforward process. Follow step by step what Rhino Apps guides you to do, and based on my personal experience, it should take less than 2 minutes for you to register and open an account on Rhino Apps. So simple and straightforward. Secondly, flexibility of this app on different devices. It works very well on your laptop or computer, on your smartphone and tablets. So it's across border of all these devices and it looks like exactly the same. On smartphone it might be a little bit narrowed or squeezed up because you have smaller screen, but it has the same functionality and features as on your laptop, yeah, or even on tablet. Flexibility is amazing. User interface. So how easy or hard is to navigate in Rhino Apps accounting software? I want to break down this section in 4 points that I think so is important for me to give my opinion and review on. Firstly, on adding suppliers. Secondly, adding expense categories or types. Thirdly, cash sales. And fourth point is digital record keeping. So let's review each point in a turn. Firstly, adding suppliers, adding new suppliers. While it is easy to add a new customer from your invoicing tab when you issue a new sales invoice to a customer, unfortunately it is not possible to add a new supplier directly from expense recording tab, let's call so. So if you need to enter new invoice, expense or cost invoice, what you receive from your supplier, like receiving from utility bill, and you never had this supplier added on your list, you will need to go first and add this supplier onto contacts list and then go and add an expense. This to me is more a downside, because while you can go and easily add new customer from invoicing list, why you cannot go and do the same process from expense list? So for me as an accountant, this was a downside. Recording expense types and categories. Likewise, with adding new supplier, you will need to add new cost category or cost type beforehand. You will go and add your expense or record supplier invoice. For example, you have new bill coming for let's say phone bill. You're receiving new phone bill and you want to record as a separate for phone and let's say internet charges, and if you haven't added this new expense category under your settings in your accounting software, then you will be not able to select this cost type when you will enter your expense or record your expense. This is similar like with adding new supplier. To me, it's a downside. Why you cannot add or register new expense type or category from expense recording tool or tab? In my opinion, should be an option to do so. Otherwise, you always need to go out, go record your expense type and go back, and then record your expense for the month, for day or week and etc. Next point is cash sales. I think so for Rhino apps, cash sales is such a well thought through feature. And let me explain why. For example, if you have a reasonable amount of cash sales, what you're making per day or per week or per month, cash sales allows you to register instantly new customer with an email address and register your sale on system at that time and in that time moment, and send receipt in a digital way, like a digital invoice, to a client directly and instantly. So recording cash sale is so simple, and you do not need till or a manual receipt book where you have one copy to give to client and second copy to keep to yourself, and then later to go and add it all in your accounting software. This process is eliminated. All is done digitally. This is just such a good advantage of this accounting software. Really liked it, and that is big plus from me. Digital record keeping. When you add every single expense or supplier invoice, you will be able to attach documents like receipts, contracts and etc. You can add multiple documents. So this will allow you to use your, let's say, smartphone so easily and quickly. How many of you have actually lost your receipts across, I don't know, week or month, or you're trying to keep in your box somewhere aside and do your, for example, self-assessment once in a year, to find out later that you had more receipts but they somehow somewhere disappeared, right? This app allows you to take picture instantly, record on your, let's say, smartphone using app, your expense, and as I said, adding receipt digitally. So even if you will lose your paper copy, you will have your actual like digital receipt kept. And as you know, from 2024, you will need to keep all your documents in like a digital format. So this software is already a step ahead and allows you to keep a digital, like to do digital record keeping. Okay, let's talk about pricing. So free or paid package, and what are the differences and limitations? Rhino apps provides you with multiple packages, or they're calling licenses, that you can purchase, and the model is based on subscription per month, subscription price per month. While it's good, I noticed one thing what this software is limited to. And free, when you often think that free package will be suitable for you in a long term, it's limited to transactions. So free package allows you to record 30 transactions of expenses, 30 of invoices and etc. And believe me, sooner or later you will definitely, without exemption, will need to update or upgrade to a paid package. And once that paid package limitations will be used up, you will need to upgrade to next one package. It's a very interesting subscription model that is based on transactions, what you are creating on the software. So there is no such a function or feature for you to use free package forever with a basic available functions or features by using it. You will definitely at a certain point will need to upgrade to next one because you are limited to transactions what you can enter on this software. Also, another point what I wanna bring up and I have concerns about is storage limit. Every package comes with a certain storage limit. While it's good, there is a drawback what I think so. Need to like think and you decide if that is a good option for you. Considering that, let's say, self-assessments and their support documents need to be kept for at least 5 years, the storage across these 5 years will accumulate. So that means that you will need to use more and more storage to keep these records digitally, because that is a government's initiative to go for income tax purposes, as you as a sole trader or landlord and etc., to start keeping documents digitally and doing digital record keeping. So this software are asking you to not asking, I'm scrapping that what I said. What I meant is this software allows you to upgrade to like more space or more storage space at additional cost. And across these 5 years, if you will keep documents adding, this storage will keep growing. You will need more and more and more. So I have concerns that across these 5 years, your actual storage costs will double or triple compared to your monthly subscription fees. That is just my personal opinion. Unless you decide to keep your records digitally somewhere else outside, maybe on Google Drive, or because it allows you 10 gigabytes of information to keep there. I don't know, it's up to you. But for me, it was a little bit concern and like downside of this accounting software. Online training sessions. Rhino apps provide a very nice gesture as they are giving you opportunity to join to one of their training and setup sessions where you can ask your burning questions at the end of each section, because they provide questions and answers part as well. Each session is about 30 minutes long, and there's 2 types you can select from. So one, either you join a weekday webinar session when it's held on at the same time each day, or you can schedule to suit your needs better. So now let's talk about customer service. If you're on a free package or free license of Rhino apps, unfortunately, you will be limited only to questions and answers online library. And you will be able to search yourself, as I'm calling help yourself, on system by searching answer to your burning question or looking on video tutorials available. You will be unable to reach out to customer service via email address or chat on chat box available on your app. If you are on a paid package, you will be able to reach support via email address, but you will be not able to use chat box. So who is able to use chat box and ask question directly? Only members of Federation for Small Businesses will be able to use chat box option. So if you are not a member, you might consider to become one and so add information that you are a member of Federation for Small Businesses. That will allow you to use customer service or support directly from your accounting software. So let's talk about making tax digital, guys. Rhino Accounting Software is making tax digital compliance software for both VAT and income tax. And as you all know, from 2024, you all need to go digital if your income is more than £10,000 per year. So if you're a sole trader or landlord, that will apply to you. So Rhino Apps is already on government's approved accounting software list. Who this software fits best? Small businesses, sole traders, big businesses, and etc. In my personal opinion, it does fit well with sole traders or small businesses in line with a basic cash accounting. You will be able to use the software if you are VAT registered business, as you can submit reports directly to HMRC through their integrated Making Tax Digital model. You will be able to manage projects and utilize timesheets. However, there are some downsides. While the system supports Making Tax Digital for VAT and income tax, you will be unable to submit your payroll information directly to HMRC. You will need to use a separate software to do this. Another point, bank reconciliations are left outside of this software. This means that all on the system is added from the income and expense perspective, and bank as a functionality does not actually exist. You will be able to filter expenses that are at the moment marked as unpaid, but there is no option to make sure that you're balanced to your business bank account. Also, talking about asset management might be difficult unless you categorize an asset under the project. One of the important points is that this accounting software does not provide a direct double entry accounting. So if you are looking for reports as balance sheets or profit and loss statements, you will be unable to get this kind of reports from this software. Okay guys, I hope that this review, my review, have helped you to decide if Rhino Apps accounting software will suit your business needs. If you have any questions or need any advice, feel free to reach out to me. I will leave my contact details in the description section below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next episode. Bye!